Hey guys, it's Tails here, and I'm gonna call my friends, you know, Josh and Wolverine, and their brothers. So that's why they live together. So yeah, I'm gonna call them real quick. Oh, dude is calling us. I don't know. Hello, who is this? Hey Josh, it's me, Tails. Oh, hey Tails. Um, could you come over? Oh, sure, right away. Hey guys. Oh, hey Tails. What's the issue? I kind of have a problem. What? Well, you see, I was building the tornado as usual. Oh, go. Is it finished? Yeah, that's the problem. It's stolen. What? I finished it last night. I was tired and exhausted. This morning, I I nearly fainted. I can't find the tornado. Can you help me find it? Uh, er, well, you see, uh, oh, that can't be good. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Please, dude, I need your help. Please. Uh, uh, Wolverine, yes. Look on my camera, please. Okay, let me see. Nope. I'm sorry, but I don't think we can find it. Tails. Oh well, it's really true. Wait, hold on. Don't you think Eggman took it? I mean, like he doesn't know how to fly it. Vroom. Is that Eggman up there? He took my tornado. Wait, I'm gonna crush it. Wait, Tails. Okay, we can't just go on attacking Eggman because you don't know what he's up to. He's not that smart. His IQ is a 300. That is smart. If he only acted expired, maybe he could beat us. Oh well. So I'll just go find more supplies or maybe get some, I don't know, get some glue from the store. Bye. Poor buddy. I know, right? Well, Hey bro, guess what? Oh wow, that's a good idea, bro. Exactly. We should check on the Eggman ship. Oh yeah. Well, let's go. Wow, look up here. Hey bro, yes, I'm afraid of heights. Wolverine, this is gonna be okay. It's why I told Tails not to go. Um, oh, you were scared for him. I'm sure Eggman won't find us up here. Oh yeah. We don't think y'all doing here. Uh oh. Ah.